Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Holidays with the Housewife video. Today I have a really sweet easel card for you. This is my Reindeer Penguin easel card. How adorable is this design? You have that cute little penguin with his sweet little antlers and his little scarf. There in the front, you have the igloo in the back, and then in the very back you have those snowy mountains. When you open up the card, it says Christmas there. And there's a spot on the inside for your message. Of course, I included an envelope as well. This is really fun to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, scoring wheel or scoring stylus, a weeding tool, scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, foam squares, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Holidays with the Housewife 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, the download button will be located on the event page. If you're watching this after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file for this project in my shop, or purchase the VIP Access Pass that gives you access to all 12 event files, printable worksheets, video tutorials, and commercial licensing. You'll be able to find more information on both of those options in the video description below. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can go ahead and open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this icon to drop down the layers, highlight this top layer, come up to the Operation menu and change that to Score, highlight the group, and Attach. And we need to do the same thing to the card base. Once you've converted the score lines for the envelope and the card base, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that I'm going to do is fold and burnish the score lines for the card base. just like so. I'll set that to the side. Now we can go ahead and layer the front cover panel. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer this together, but from back to front, you're going to start with the solid white square, light blue, darker blue, white or gray for the igloo, yellow, black, another white piece, the scarf, and then the antlers. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I put this together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. There is our cute little cover panel. I'm going to set that to the side so we can go ahead and dry. Let's go ahead and mat and layer the sentiment layer. Just like that. And now we can mat and layer the messaging panel. Now let's go ahead and take our card base. I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to place the messaging panel between these two score lines. Next, I'm going to attach the sentiment layer to the inside of the card. Now, you can't really see this on camera, but I have a little X that I created with the score line that will help guide you on where to center the sentiment layer. So I'm going to first attach some foam squares. You need to add a little bit of dimension to this so that it will kind of act as a kickstand for the front cover panel once the user opens it up. And then I'm just going to place that right over that score line. And now I will close the card, and I'm going to add glue below this middle score line right here. And then attach our front cover panel, just making sure to line up the edges the best that I can. And now when your recipient opens it up, it will look just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and just set that to the side so everything can dry. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take our inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Flip the inlay over, place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Flip the envelope around. Now with those foam squares, it does add a little bit of dimension, so you can go ahead and place the card upside down inside the envelope. Bring those side flaps in, add glue to the bottom of those side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms your envelope. And our easel card is all set. Wasn't this one really fun to put together? I love little penguins. They're just so cute. I've used them throughout the years in different Christmas cards, and they are so cute to make. I hope that you like this one. If you made this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Holidays with the Housewife video. Bye-bye.